Hello and welcome to my channel. In this tutorial we're gonna do this stitch, one row repeat. The stitch is reversible, front and back is the same. So if you want to do this for a, I don't know, baby blanket for summer, a wrap, I'm sure you can find something to do with this stitch. It's very easy and it's really fun to do this stitch. Okay, this stitch works with multiples of 5 plus 4 more. So I have here multiples of 5 and I'm gonna chain 4 more. Okay, now what we're gonna do, we're gonna skip the first 4 chains from the hook, 1 2 3 4, and in the 5th chain, yarn over the hook, we're gonna do an extended double crochet. So I hope you guys know how to do the extended double crochet. Then you're gonna chain 2. Now we're gonna skip the next 2 chains, 1 2, and in the 3rd chain we're gonna do a single crochet, chain 3, yarn over the hook, and in the same chain where we did this single crochet, we're gonna go in there and we're gonna do 3 double crochets without finishing them. Go back again for the 2nd and the 3rd one into the same chain. You have 4 loops, yarn over, pull the yarn through all 4 loops, chain 3. And now depends how long you're gonna make the chain. From now on you're gonna do until the end, you're gonna skip the next 4 chains, 1 2 3 4, and in the 5th you're gonna do a single crochet, then you're gonna chain 3, and in the same chain where we did this single crochet, we're gonna do in there 3 double crochets without finishing the double crochet. So you go back again into the same chain and do the 2nd and the 3rd, 4 loops, yarn over, pull the yarn through all 4 loops, chain 3, and again we're gonna skip the next 4 chains, 1 2 3 4, and in the 5th chain we're gonna do the same. We start with a single crochet, chain 3, yarn over the hook, and in the same chain we're gonna do 3 double crochets without finishing them. Yarn over the, well, through the 4 loops, chain 3, and again this time we're gonna skip the 4 chains, 1 2 3 4, and in the 5th we're gonna do a single crochet, and in the last chain also a single crochet, chain 4. You're always gonna chain 4 at the end. Okay, turn your work into this first, not in this one because we have the chain, so into the next here we're gonna go in there and we're gonna into the stitch and we're gonna do an extended double crochet, chain 2, and now in each we're gonna do, like here we have the chain 3, yeah, so we have the first chain, 2nd and 3rd right here, this one. So we're gonna go into this 3rd chain in there, yeah, so you're gonna go into the chain and you're gonna do a single crochet, chain 3, and you're gonna repeat into the chain where we did this single crochet. We're gonna place in there 3 double crochets without finishing them, and go back again into the same chain for the 3rd one, 4 loops on your hook, pull the yarn through all 4 loops, chain 3, because this is the chain, the first one after you finish all this one is the chain that next time you're gonna go into, yeah. So if you can let the first chain a little bit loose, if you work too tight, that would be great, yeah. So now you're gonna move to the next cluster, let's say, into the third chain right there. So you're gonna do a single crochet first, chain 3, yarn over the hook, and we're gonna go back into the chain, and we're gonna do 3 double crochets without finishing them, and go back again for the third one, and then you're gonna chain 3. So you're gonna skip all this, and you're gonna move to the next cluster, let's say the chain close to the cluster right there. So you're gonna go in there, and you're gonna do a single crochet first, chain 3, and we go back into the same chain where we did that single crochet, and we're gonna place in there 3 double crochet without finishing them. Chain 3. You're gonna skip all this, and you see in here we have from the previous row, we have here the extended double crochet and the chain that we skipped in the beginning. So on top here into the stitch of this extended double crochet, we're gonna do 1 single crochet, and then you're gonna go on top of the chain 4 in there, and you're gonna do a single crochet on top of the 4th chain. It's the 4th chain that we skipped in the beginning. So you're gonna do a single crochet, chain 4. So the 4th chain, leave it a little bit loose if you were too tight, and now we're gonna repeat. It's gonna look like this. So the first stitch here, we're gonna go in there, and we're gonna do an extended double crochet, chain 2, and this is the row that you're gonna repeat on and on and on. So you have the chain 3, 1 2 3. We're gonna go into the third one here, gonna go into that chain, you're gonna do a single crochet, chain 3, yarn over the hook, and we go back into this third chain, and we're gonna do 3 double crochets without finishing them. It's a very easy stitch, 1 row repeat, chain 3. So now you're gonna skip this, and you're gonna move to the next cluster and the chain close to the cluster. Yeah? So you're gonna go in there, and you're gonna do a single crochet, chain 3, and 3 more double crochet without finishing them into that third chain. You see, like I said in the beginning, try to leave that chain a little bit loose, otherwise it's gonna be a struggle to get in. This one. Now, after you finish the 3 double crochet together, and you have to chain 3, this is the chain that leave it a little bit loose. Yeah, gonna chain 3, and then again you're gonna move to the next cluster into that chain. You're gonna do a single crochet, chain 3, and we go back into the same chain, that third chain, and do 3 double crochets without finishing them. You see, this one is the chain that you're gonna go next row, you're gonna go into this chain. So you're gonna chain 3, and now you're gonna skip this, and you're gonna go directly to the extended double crochet. You're gonna place a single crochet here, and on top of the 4th chain here you're gonna place a single crochet. So we're gonna go directly to the extended double crochet, and we're gonna do a single crochet, and then find the 4th chain on the top there and do a single crochet, and then you're gonna start to chain 4. Again, leave this loose a little bit. So now you're gonna repeat into the first, not this stitch but this one. You're gonna do an extended double crochet, you're gonna chain 2, and then you're gonna move into this chain, this one here. You're gonna skip the 1 2, the first, the second chain, and in the third, and after you do all that, you move to the next, and so on. This is it. It's really easy and goes really fast, and I think will be nice if you work somewhat with I would say with thinner yarn, if you like to work with that and your fingers or your hand doesn't go numb. And the sides are okay. Let me put the camera a little bit that you can see the sides. So if you want a border, maybe you'll be okay only with this border here, or you will put different border, you know. But the fact that it's reversible, it's really nice. Yeah, but I was thinking for a summer baby blanket, you know, just in the evening when you take the baby for a stroll. I think this is nice. Yeah. Okay, well, thank you for watching. Have a good day. Bye bye.